the leg. I'm a body girl. You suit that those colors actually.
Welcome back to another video. Guess what I'm wearing?
Yay! Queen!
And I don't care what my dad says. So
You're in the comfort of your own.
in your face, Dad.
You're in the comfort of your own. What are we doing?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Wait.
What are we doing here?
We're just browning that, the pork chop.
Yep.
Brown.
Yep.
And then it goes in the oven with gravy, seasoning. Voila! Voila!
Talking about seasoning.
Yeah, put some in the lid. Ah! Yes, at the end, I'm gonna add that in. And we're gonna do the sausages after this.
And then maybe a little bit of soy sauce.
Yes, let's do that. Hello. Oh yeah, we'll add that one in though.
And that. Salt and pepper.
Salt, pepper, oregano,
gravy.
curry,
And gravy.
gravy. Yep. Did you do a video of the
Yeah.
so good. You suit this color range.
Do I, guys?
Wait till you have go to the hairdressers. I'm a body girl. In my body world.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. You can touch my head.
Put down.
I don't know the rest of the words. I'm a body, get your body. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, I love you, Ken. Oh, I love you, Ken. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, I love you, Ken. What does love mean, Rach?
What does love mean?
Hey?
What does love mean?
You love. Next week's gonna be a surprise. Start with the P.
P.
I. C.
C.
And.
Yes.
I.
What?
The rest you're just gonna have to figure out.
Oh yeah.
We are not gonna give them the whole thing.
Nope.
Just gotta wait
What's
and
that at? What's that at?
We're just gonna have to wait and see. Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, I'll see you a little bit later for
Fantastic.
the singing Barbie girl.
Undress me everywhere. Ooh, that's a bit rude.
What?
Undress me everywhere. That's
What?
a bit rude.
That's part of the
It's
word.
a song.
It's about a song.
It's not out. We didn't make that.
Nope. Aqua did.
Yeah. Whoa. Oh.
Anyway, yeah, so I'll see you a little bit later for more fun. You might see her later. I don't know. Night.
See you. Oh, we did open that one. Rosemary. Curry sausages.
No.
You don't like curry sausages? No. Queen S bacon. Curry chops.
See you later for more fun. I'll catch you later. You might see her later or not.
Later. Alligator.
As that maybe later or not. We'll see what happens. We'll see you guys soon.
Depends on the moment, doesn't it, Rach?
Yeah.